Hi friends, welcome to learnself.com. Today we are going to see about BlueFish. BlueFish is a free and open source software for text editing. It has a variety of tools for programming and development of dynamic websites. And it also supports HTML, XHTML, CSS, XML, PHP, C, C++, Java, SQL, etc. It is also used via integration with Genome. Okay friends, now I am going to show you how to install BlueFish on PopOS. Before installing BlueFish, you have to update your repository in your machine using a command apt-get update. After updating your repository, now we are going to install BlueFish using a command apt-get install BlueFish. After installing, to check, go to activities and then type BlueFish. It shows the application icon. Just click the icon to open. It will open the BlueFish application. You can use this application as a text editor and also use it for coding for web developers. This is about the installation of BlueFish. I hope this video will be informative for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.